Threads, the latest app from Twitter's official meta competitor, has been launched. Threads is now available in more than 100 countries. To be able to log in or register on Threads, you must already have an Instagram account. The Instagram username will be the name in the Threads app. What are you waiting again? Install Threads now and feel the difference. Start your engaging social media adventure by following this installation guide. Who knows, maybe you'll get addicted. Follow the steps. Click or open Google Play for Android and App Store for iOS. Next, in the search column, type Threads by Instagram. Install and wait until the application is installed. Once installed, open the Threads app. Click on the Login section. In this section, it will be automatically connected to the name of the Instagram account we have. Next step is to select Import from Instagram. Select Privacy for this Threads account to be open, public, or private. Next, we will be given the choice whether to follow the account that has already followed on Instagram or not, after which remains the next click that is in the upper right corner. Threads is quite similar to Twitter. The unmistakable similarities have made some people on the platform joke about how Mark Zuckerberg simply copy-pasted the app. However, Threads and Twitter don't work the same way. Once you've set up your Threads account and are ready to send out your first post, congratulations to join Threads.